Hello friends, this is Seher from EasyPeasy, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is called as elliptical orbits of electrons explained by Arnold Sommerfeld. Okay, now this story started with the Bohr's model of atom. Bohr beautifully explained the hydrogen line spectrum, but when you look closely to each line, this line is further splitting into many other lines. And that was not explained at that time. So at that time, another scientist called as Arnold Sommerfeld came and he gave a crazy idea. He said that what if electrons don't move in perfect circles? Rather, they move in the elliptical orbits. Now, instead of one type of orbit, there were many possible shapes that can be made with the shell. This explains the spectral or splitting of lines that were present in the line spectrum of hydrogen. Because according to the elliptical orbits, electron at the same energy level could have slightly different energies, and this caused the spectral lines to split. He also used the idea of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein said that when speed increases, it also increases the mass. So Arnold Sommerfeld says electrons that are closer to the nucleus are moving faster, and this slightly changed energy levels causes even more accurate predictions of having that spectral line. That's how the second quantum rule appears. Bohr's only explained the principal quantum number, that is the energy level, but Arnold Sommerfeld also explained the azimuthal quantum number. Now, azimuthal quantum number explains the shape of the orbit. That can be S, P, D, and F. S is the sphere, P looks like a dumbbell, D looks like a clover, and F looks like a complicated shape. Again, with these two perfect scientists, still the model isn't perfect. Why? Because it still couldn't explain the multi-electron atoms. It still treated electrons like tiny planets, and it also ignored the wave nature of electrons. But it does open the door to the modern quantum mechanics that we know today. Okay, let's move towards some easy-peasy practice questions. Which of the following was a key modification introduced by Arnold Sommerfeld to Bohr's model? Electrons move in elliptical orbits. In the Bohr-Sommerfeld model, the introduction of azimuthal quantum number primarily accounts for the shape of the electron's orbit. The fine structure of spectral line is best explained in Sommerfeld's model by slight energy variations occur due to elliptical orbits and the very fast motion of electrons. According to Sommerfeld's extension using ideas from Albert Einstein, which of the following statement is correct? Electron's mass increases as its velocity approaches the speed of light. In an elliptical orbit as proposed by Sommerfeld, the speed of the electron is maximum when closest to the nucleus. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.